and I want to drive a Dodge Challenger. It has to be a 1970 Dodge Challenger. I went online. A 1970 Dodge Challenger with a white paint job. Oh, Kowalski. Kowalski from Vanishing Point.
Apparently the speed maniac you've been chasing all over is a former professional road racer named Kowalski.
It's a fucking classic.
They want to get him and put him away, but they'll have to catch him first. For one reason or another.
Is there something I can do for you? Like anything you want.
This shit is off the fucking hook. Fucking legend.
This is getting under that awesome 1970 Dodge Challenger, and you can see here, this thing is just done the right way. I mean, if you look through everything, this is a full nut and bolt restoration on here. We'll start here from the front. This has your 392 HEMI, fuel injected, milled oil pan. This one also has got your Flaming River rack and pinion. It does have your Ride Tech coilovers, that is all the way around. Also your Willwood 6 piston calipers in the front, 4 in the rear, and I'll show you those here in just a minute. It's got your Tremec 6-speed, and just look at this. It is just done the right way. It really, really is. This does have your dual exhaust, MagnaFlow exhaust for right there, 8 3/4 on your rear end. That has Moser axles. Those are 355. You have your fuel injection fuel tank there. That also is powered by Aeromotive fuel pump and fuel pressure regulator. Again, Willwood 4-piston on the rear, Ride Tech 4-link here in the back. That is just done awesome. It really, really is. Look at this. It is done the right way. Full nut and bolt restoration. They did everything the right way, and this one is awesome. You'll definitely not want to miss the test drive on this.
Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I'm gonna bring this brand new addition. This is a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. It's got a crate 392. It's got a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. And look at this thing, Vanishing Point.
The last American hero.
It's the maximum trip at maximum speed.
Oh yeah, this is it. It is just beautiful. It is a full rotisserie restoration and it is ready to go. We're gonna give you a startup, we're gonna go through the exterior, we're gonna go through the interior, and we're gonna take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. '70 Dodge Challenger. This thing is amazing. It is so beautiful. Full nut and bolt restoration, rotisserie. This thing is exactly the way that you want it. Look through here. It is just amazing. I've been going through it trying to find any type of major flaws, and I have not been able to find any type of major flaws on this. I think that the only thing that I kind of see, I mean, I didn't even get any really, there's a few just small pebbles, but no cracks, no dings, no dents. I mean, everything's in great shape. Alignment here, most of these I see them off just a little bit, but it's just, I can't find anything. No issues whatsoever. And going into the rims, I mean, these things are like new. Wheelwood brakes. Got the Nitto tires. In great shape, no dry rotting. I mean, it is tip-top, perfect shape. Wheelwood on the rear as well. Nittos on the rear. These are 275, 40, 17 on this, but it's just, I mean, look at this thing. Exhaust, everything has been done the right way. Again, going through all the rims, any type of issues, tires, all matching. All the right way. Just a little dusty in here. Of course, it's Arizona. All in good shape. And let's show you a drivetrain. Yeah. That's it right there. This is a crate. Wheelwood brakes. Everything's been professionally done. Drives out so well. You see, just every little detail on this one has been done right. This is an AC car as well. Let's get into the interior. Door panels. Look at that. Seats, everything's like new. It's only got 300 miles on it. Carpet, headliner, deck tray. I mean, the lights work. It's got a tilt column. We got the AC blasted in here today. It is hot. 6-speed. It's got the pistol grip. I like how they did that. Dakota digital gauges. So we finally got something that doesn't work. Wait, no, we got yeah, we got horn, we got everything working on this one. Wipers. Yeah, this thing is ready to go. Whoa! There we go. We got stereo. Dash is in perfect shape. I'm gonna show you this trunk. I mean, the trunk is in everything with this one. Look at that. Batteries here in the rear. And this is just in amazing shape. Like I said, everything's brand new on this. It's just perfect. It really is. All through there. Nice and fits good. Grab the keys. Obviously it's not numbers matching, of course, because we got the HEMI in there. But I will show you that all of the VIN, well, other than the trunk VIN tag I could not find. It looks like it's covered up. Everything's perfect shape there. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's great. But just going back in here without the engine on too, it'd be a little bit easier to hear me. But okay, so radiator support VIN, firewall VIN right there. I don't know if you can see it. I took pictures. You can see it on our website, and that matches. So all of those are fully matching as well. And so you'll be able to see all of those. And if you look through all in here, I mean, it's just in amazing, amazing shape. Let's get back over to the other side real quick just to show you how the windows go up and down. So, there's that on that side. And then here on this side. Those all fit nice and tight. And here, just like that. And this one as well. And get this thing started because it is nice and warm. Fires right up, just like that. Let's see. Let's get you buckled in. There. Should have just left it on, right? I'll tell you. It's like 108 today. Yeah, this thing is just amazing. Again, we're not going to go any type of crazy with it because it's only got 301 miles on it. But just everything on this is done the right way. It's got tilt. And this is one of the ones that, obviously, it's expensive. But even with being expensive, you can drive this thing. So, you know, it depends on, this isn't just your regular Challenger, right? You know, it's a high-end, top-end vehicle that you can keep in your collection. You can drive it, you know, maybe not all the time, but you can kind of drive it regularly, you know, actually be able to go out and enjoy it. Again, it's only got 301 miles, so break-in is not done yet. I'll get that fan speed down just a little bit so you can hear me a little bit better, but it is hot and it's nice and warm today, that's for sure. I'm trying not to go all crazy with it, you know, just trying to ease into it. But it moves out. I mean, this thing, oh yeah, sounds good, rides good, all the stuff. I mean, everything's nice and tight on it. It works just exactly the way that you want it. If you're looking for something fast, if you're looking for something comfortable to be able to enjoy, you know, if you got a red eye, if you got you know, last calls and all that, you're just like, man, I should have just spent something and spent more money on something like this where it retains its value. These retain their value. That's the biggest thing about them, is that, you know, the classic with a modern drivetrain, you can actually go out, enjoy it. Air conditioner works good, all the power steering, it just turns right on just the way that you want it, all of that. Now we have more than 350 photos. We have online financing. We have nationwide transport, all at classiccaraddict.com. Again, we're in break-in, so we can't have all the fun. You buy it, you'll be able to have all the fun with it. See you guys on the next one.